This weekend we are going to be doing a lift kit on this Mark V Jetta. We're going to start with the rears because I need a spring compressor to do the front. So I'm going to try and do the rears. Obviously I need to take off your tire. Tires off. Now go to the other side and do the same thing so that we can get to procedure 2. So now that both tires are off, the car is lifted, you're gonna have to undo the struts. So you're gonna undo them from the top. 2 16s, I believe. Yep, 2 16s on this side and 2 on the passenger side. So it didn't fall as much as I would have liked it to, but now that those are disconnected, you're able to push down to release those rear springs. Old and new. This is significantly thicker than the old one. Same height. Kind of concerning. Hopefully it stays jacked and doesn't sag eventually. I don't know if I mentioned this, but don't disconnect it from right down there. This is the first spring going in. Ignore the hair. These are Volkswagen Tiguan springs, or not springs, struts. Not bad. And then, yeah, they just go right on, and they're taller than the stock ones. And I got these from the junkyard for $11. Can't beat it. So I got the front tire off, and I'm gonna disconnect the sway bar end link thing, just to give it more slack so that I can beat this down. Those were the biggest pain in the butt, but they're out. So next just comes the hardest part, putting the big springs. I got impatient, went to AutoZone and rented the spring compressor kit, and I'm going to be doing it today, so there won't be no waiting till tomorrow. Hopefully these work. See if we can compress those big bad boys right there. That went very well. Highly recommend just going to AutoZone and getting yourself one of those. Just rent it, you bring it back, and they give you your money back. So you ain't losing anything. So I lifted the car on Tiguan springs and I took it on the freeway, and the back end seems to sway like a mofo. I don't know if I just need to break it in, or if it's an alignment, or I just need bigger tires. Let me know what you guys think.